This is the new revolutionary square tent patented design. The Master Tent is really easy to transport and is assembled in next to no time, completely without tools, quickly, safely, and reliably. You can choose from a large variety of accessories as well as different fabric colors and several frame colors. And you can select the size of your tent up to a representative 8 by 4 meters. With customized printing, your Master Tent is turned into the perfect advertising medium, and thanks to the new revolutionary square tent design, your advertising space is more than double that of a regular tent. Additional base weights guarantee maximum stability. The fireproof fabric offers much more protection and also keeps you out of the rain with its unique square tent drainage system. Master Tent is made in Europe, and with its maximum lifetime, your square tent will be by your side, helping you to strengthen your image at all kinds of events, regardless of the season, day or night. Master Tent, building up moments.